Today we'll talk about how can you find your blocked list on your SweetMeet app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this side, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So you just click on it here and you just click on settings. It's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then just click here on application settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on blocked list. Then here you will find all blocked lists you have in this list here. So I have no one, but if you have anyone here, you will find it in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.